So, welcome back to Bald Tires and Misfires. Today I will be unboxing this intake manifold I bought for my 225 Slant 6 that goes in this piece of garbage. Got my box openers, and let's open it. Okay, now that fiasco's over, this is a Clifford 6=8 performance intake that I don't believe they make anymore. It's supposed to hold 3 Weber DCOE 45s, and it's going to go on my piece of crap to replace the single barrel aluminum Chrysler intake that's already on it. It's pretty nice. I only paid $250 for it on eBay. So, yeah, I don't have the carburetors yet, but they're coming in the future. So about 3 months ago, I bought an eBay turbo thinking I was going to turbocharge my Slant 6. Originally I was going to, and I am still, but I ran into the issue of having to buy the 4-barrel manifold that Aussie Speed makes and buying a 4-barrel carburetor. And being in high school, that's really difficult because you don't got a lot of money. But then I went out and bought a manifold that requires 4-barrel carburetors, and I'm going to attempt to turbo that. Because science. One of the biggest issues I have with turboing this Slant 6 right now is the fact that I have air conditioning, and my dad wants me to keep the air conditioning because it's factory to the car. I originally was going to put a 383 in this, and I thought most people build V8s, so building a straight 6 would stick out. But I didn't think I would go as far as to put 3 4-barrel Webers on and go with the turbo. So I got to figure out how to get around that in the future, and I don't know how I'm going to do that yet. Something else I would like to do would be to swap this to a 4-speed. It's a 3-speed auto right now. I know that I can put a A833 in, and they attach to the big blocks and the V8s, and I know there's a bell housing that goes from the 225 to the A833. I'm just running into the issue, where would I find the clutch and where would I find all that stuff? And do I want to cut into my car to add the clutch pedal and the brakes or fix all that stuff?